ManyChat WhatsApp tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your ManyChat account and this is how it will look like. Now after that, log into your account or sign in. After signing in, you would be able to find WhatsApp on the settings tab. For that, just simply go to the settings by clicking on the left hand side panel, and over there you should be able to see WhatsApp. Simply click on it and this way you would be able to connect with WhatsApp. But make sure that whenever you will connect with your WhatsApp, you won't be able to use it up on your phone. So if you have a new number, then it would be better for you to use WhatsApp on that particular new number, and this way you can connect either the new number or the number from ManyChat. And after that, just simply go with the flow and follow the procedure which is shown on your screen. You would be requiring to connect with your Meta Business Suite, and in case if you don't have a Meta Business Suite account, you would be requiring it, and in the process it will ask you to do it all. So just follow the procedure, provide all the details, and you should be able to connect with ManyChats. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.